Hi everyone, we're taking a break from science videos. We'll come back to what the science is like. But today, as a fun little thing, we decided to open a starter pack of Match Attax 23 and 24. So, without further ado, let's get these things open. Oh. Let's just open it. Got it to rip. These are actually really easy to open, as they are. Okay, so we do have the binder case here. Binder. And then we've got, this is a game guide. It's just like a little magazine, game guide thing. Then we got the checklist. We got the play mat. And they give us 2 checklists. Oh wait, no, it's a combined checklist. Okay, and then these are the stuff we like. We've got 3 packs of normal Match Attax and 1 special limited edition pack, which is white. So I really want to get 100 club with these, or like a border or something. I don't know, but let's just crack this limited edition pack open first. Okay, we got some sleeves here. Some sleeves. Sorry about the weight, but let's see what costs it. Exclusive rewards card. We've got a Turbo Talent limited edition. Leaving that card there. So sorry about the weight. But I think we should cut it out, but I don't know. So we got that card sleeved up. Then we got a Haaland Finest Footballer limited edition card. Sleeving that up. Okay. And then we got the limited edition 100-100 card, injury card, agent card, VAR card, and the referee card. Okay, the big thing we want to do is open the packs. So, there we go. Reckoning that pack. Got the random card there. Hopefully we get something good. Now, excuse me if I don't pronounce this wrong. Julian Brandt, Maria Hermoso. But you know, I'm not going to even say the names. I'm just going to show you the cards. I'm not saying any of these names. I've only opened 3 packs of Match Attax before. Ooh, okay, we got our first hit. It's Captain. I'll put that somewhere else. I want to look at this mess right now. Nice. Guardian card. Man of the match. What did I say? 100 club. The designs are so cool. Going on our first pack. I think we got 4 hits in it. Is it guaranteed 3 or guaranteed 4? That's a card. Nice card. I'm putting that aside. Second pack. So I checked, and it is 3 cards at least. I mean, the captain cards are kind of useless, so they're kind of bad. They just added a shine to it, and I don't really like this. What do we have here? Anyway, normal cards. Not gonna bother to say. You can pause the video if you want to look at the cards that I got, because I have no idea. I just revealed a card. There's a captain. Nice, it's a finisher, Erling Haaland. There's a card I want. But what is this? Flip Anderson, signature style. And let's go. Got a midfielder, heritage card. Now, what I really would like right now is either, like, there's black black border, black. I don't know what its name is. Or shield card. I just dropped the pack. Or I would like one of those little moment cards. Hopefully we can actually get something. Okay, we got. So let's go. Western United. Let's go. Oh, we got a parallel. That's 1 in 3 packs. Let's finish it. I believe we got one of those next game cards. Overall, quite good. We got the 100 club. That's the main one. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.